How to cancel an order and Depop as a buyer. The first things first is make sure that you visited via the website or via through their mobile application. And then make sure that you also have an account for us to be able to rectify this problem. Now, first things first, before you process a cancellation, make sure that you fully understand about the cancellation policy that Depop has. So say, for example, you'd like to cancel a specific item or order, then the item has been already been shipped out. So in that case, that's a different scenario. Now make sure that you will process a cancellation before the shipment has been done. So for you to check those orders, all you have to do is to go to your profile and then there will be a drop down. Just head to your settings and you can also go directly to your purchases. And from here, this is going to be the page in which all the purchases that you ordered from Depop as well as the shipment process will be visible here. So if you have or if you encounter a problem like you have placed an order incorrectly, then you'll have to cancel it immediately. And to cancel it, just tap on a specific item and then click on cancel or request cancel. Then you just have to input your reason why you'd like to change or to cancel that certain order. And that's it. That's how easy and quick you can cancel an order in Depop as a buyer.